My life, baby.
What up, guys? It's been a while since I uploaded, right? About a year or two. Today's SOUTBAE Cars and Coffee. Cars and something, I don't know what it is, but it's a car meet, so yeah, a few things have changed with me, with what's going on in my life. Actually, one big drastic change if you want to get technical. But anyways, let's go with that Cars and Coffee. Some nice cars, some shit cars, some stock cars, some fire cars. I mean, regardless, it's cars, so I mean, let's get it. Yep. That is one of the new changes I was talking about. Yeah, lots changed. Yep, so that's a nice amount of extra stuff to adjust to. But with that being said, this YouTube channel is going to be about cars, DIY home projects like for the house, making baby rooms for the princess. I got music like this stuff. I'm gonna be doing a lot of the music for the backgrounds of the songs. I don't want to get monetized. I don't want to get copyright. I don't want to get copyright hit for copyright stuff. Anyways, yeah, it's gonna be a lot less talking, walking up and down the hallway like I used to. We didn't go to the Cars and Coffee because it was too crazy. It was a nice event, super crazy, but I can't push a baby stroller and film the cars. So yeah, some of those adjustments I'll need to get used to. Well, I don't know. I went to Cars and Coffee. I brought the baby and everything. She had a blast. A lot of nice cars. Saw a couple of homies and stuff. So everything's good. But I do want to continue to upload, mainly just document times with her, times with you guys, car community, DIY car mods. Also just something for her to like when she's older. She can look back and watch these videos too. But yeah, that's it. I want to keep it short and simple. Let's see how long before I upload the next one.